If you're rough on your hands like me, you're aging your skin like 5 to 10 years. So we have a solution for you. We have our Manicure bundle, and I'm gonna show you exactly what's in it and how to use it. Let's get into this first. Instructions. Let's get the bag out for you so we can show you what's in it. First of all, I love this bag. It's flat, it holds so much stuff. You could use it for keeping your manicure stuff in or makeup or whatever you wanna use it for. First thing I'm gonna pull out is our nail clipper set. This is nice and convenient, beautiful little pouch, and you're gonna have your toenail clippers and your nail clippers in it. Next thing we're gonna pull out is our glass nail file. If you've never used a glass nail file, you're gonna absolutely love this thing. It also comes in a cute little pouch that you can clip to your keychain, so you'll have it wherever you wanna go, and it's the perfect grit to file natural nails. Next item, I'm obsessed with this item. If you lift weights or work in the garden all the time, anything that's gonna cause that callous skin, frustrating part is getting in there. This little thing is perfectly made to fit your fingers so you can exfoliate calluses. Next, we're gonna pull out our cuticle softener, our next step. And this cuticle softener, guys, is first of all in a handy dandy little tube. You just squeeze it on. Also, this is formulated to be gentle. We don't wanna be aggressive with our cuticles. So this is going to actually hydrate while it softens the cuticle area. Next step would be our glass cuticle pusher, but the shape of this just beautifully tucks, pushing that cuticle area back gently. The other end, we can use it for cleaning or whatever you would like. Next up, cuticle nippers. These are so good. They're nice, they're sharp. They also come in a little pouch. It's a 1/4 inch jaw, and it's perfect for getting any hangnails or dry skin off your cuticle area. Next up, hand cream, so important. We wanna reverse the signs of aging and dryness. We need a good hand cream, and this is it. This is formulated with hyaluronic acid. It's going to lock in the moisture and help you maintain it throughout the day. Next thing we're gonna grab in order is, you have 2 choices. First, I'm gonna just go ahead and grab the base coat. This base coat is extra sticky. It's the perfect foundation before you apply polish. Or we can use our nail strengthener. This stuff is made with celery seed. It drastically improves the look of your nails, ridges, thickness, and helps your nails grow. Next up would be Giggle Palace. Our pretty pink polish is what we would go into next. And of course, we got a top coat. We need to lock it in, seal it up, and make our manicure last even longer. With doing our polish, sometimes we make mistakes, sometimes we mess up, and that's exactly what our polish perfector brush is for. And last, but definitely not least, a very, very important step in making your nails look better is cuticle oil. This is a highly nurturing, hydrating formula that's not greasy and absorbs quickly. First thing we're gonna do is remove any polish that we had on. Second, we're gonna take our stainless steel fingernail clippers and clip any length we want. Next step, we're gonna take that glass file and file our shape in. Next, we're gonna use that callus exfoliating file for any calluses we may have. Just gonna buff them away. Next step, cuticle softener. And we're just gonna apply it on all of our nails right around that cuticle area. Take our finger, gently rub it in, and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, taking that glass cuticle pusher, we're going to gently push back. Do not be aggressive. This is a light touch, and this pusher is very efficient. At this point, if you see anything that needs to be clipped, hangnails, dry skin, you would use your cuticle nippers at this point. Once we have rinsed and dried our skin, we're gonna go ahead and pull out our hand cream. Again, this is made with ingredients that are not only gonna hydrate and lock in the moisture, it's gonna protect that skin all day. At this point, we're gonna just go ahead and cleanse that nail plate of any of that hand cream. And we're gonna make a decision between base or strengthener. I'm gonna use our base. Just gonna apply one thin layer, and this is gonna give us the perfect foundation for that polish to stick to. I've already applied one coat of Giggle Palace, and now we're gonna go in with our second coat. Next, we're gonna top coat. We have to seal everything in and protect that polish, making it last longer. One coat over all 10 nails. And let's say you get a little bit on your skin. We wanna make that manicure look perfect. We're gonna pull out our Polish Perfector detail brush, a little polish remover, and a nail wipe, and clean anything up that we need to. Final step is our cuticle oil. I don't care if you do anything else in this kit, please use cuticle oil. I want you to use it at least twice a day, especially right before bed. We're just gonna put that around our cuticle area and just gently rub it in. Again, this is a highly nourishing formula that absorbs into the skin, so it is non-greasy. And that is how easy it is to give yourself a manicure. This bundle makes it super, super easy to hydrate, turn back the hand of time, and make your skin soft and supple.